The stocking cap blend in perfectly before I put the glue and everything. You just got to make sure everything looks right before you do the final steps. So now I'm adjusting it, and then I'm about to cut the lace. I'm cutting one side and then I'm cutting the other side. So I'm putting 2 layers of Ghost Bond glue on my forehead, or just where the stocking cap is, and blow drying it like I just did, and then pressing each section so that way it just looks more just smooth and perfect and just put together. So with 2 layers, I find that it lasts for at least a week. Like, your hair will stay on, okay? You don't need like 5, 10, 20 layers. You gonna rip your edges off. Just do 2 layers if you just want it for like a week. Especially because I switch my hair all the time. 2 layers is enough. I also like to use a comb after I'm done pressing the wig on my head, so that way it looks more smooth, and then I cut the lace off as I'm doing right now. So you know, this is like an arrogant Tay method. Like, he be having a little bit of hair left. He just makes sure that the wig sits perfectly on the, like, you know, where he applies the glue, so that way it doesn't like look all botched up and folded up and just, I don't know, it just, the lace just looks a lot more smooth. Don't be scared to cut off a little bit of the actual hair on the lace. So prior to applying this wig, I did pluck it, but I noticed I needed to pluck it a little bit more, which is what I'm doing. Again, don't be afraid to pluck the wig when it's on your head. If you need to get it perfect, do anything possible. Just make sure it looks natural. This is everybody's favorite step, which is baby hairs. So I don't know why I do this, but I like to split my hair in the middle, because for some reason that's the only way I'll get my baby hairs to look how I want it. And then I go from the sides like I'm doing. I don't like to overdo it with the baby hairs. I typically just keep the same routine when it comes to doing baby hairs. Now I'm cutting the baby hair that I want, and I'm smoothing it out with some mousse, and that is literally it. That's how I create my baby hairs. So I'm continuing the same step. I already cut my little sideburns, and then I'm smoothing it out with mousse. You're just gonna continue the same step on the other side, and your baby hair is gonna look bomb. Like you gonna look like that bee, okay? Okay, so to seal the baby hairs, I am spraying got to be glue spray, and I also find that it helps the hair look more melted. And then I'm gonna tie my hair with the little, you know, Asteria hair tie that they sent. To revive the curls, we gonna spritz the hair with some water, spritz it all around, like drench that hair with water, okay? Trust me on this, because when the hair dries out, it's gonna dry really pretty and really curly, and you're just gonna love it. It's not gonna look poofy and big, it's just gonna look amazing. Once you spritz the hair, brush it through, detangle the hair up a little bit, and you know, this will also help bring out the curls and just make it look amazing. I typically use a denim brush. I lost my denim brush, so I'm using my regular brush. But after this video, I definitely went and bought a new one. And then scrunch the hair. This helps a lot. Like, all these steps are necessary for some bomb curls, okay? Okay, so we're done. Let's reveal the hair. Let's see what it's looking like. Let's see what it's looking like. Is it cute? Is it must? Okay. Yes. Edges on fleek. Edges on fleek. Hair on fleek. It's giving wet, wavy, you know? I love it. I love this hair so much. And by the way, this is their water wave texture. And, you know, it just looks so good. I am obsessed. You can literally wear this anywhere, but especially on vacation. We're not done yet. Let's see how the hair looks like when it's dry. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, yes. I live, honey. I live. This is what we do it for. Yes. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh my God. And this is where the hair stops when it's dry. So pretty. I'm obsessed. I can't stop saying I'm obsessed, but I am though. And look at that melt. Look at the HD lace. Ooh, you would think that's my hair. Don't tell me you don't think this is my hair. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the details of the hair will be in the description box below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.